Dickie suit with the buttons button up here, all these, the rest of these down. Nigga, that is not goddamn Brooklyn, nigga. Is you kidding me? I don't care if you out on black tips. Nigga, you came out here with Lokes on with an Easy-E, Bone Thugs and Harmony afro. What the goddamn shit? Navaya Holmes. You know, Navaya Holmes. What the goddamn button up here with the rest of this shit open down at the bottom. Like you from California. Nigga, stop. Nigga, stop. 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 You faking. Nigga, you is not from California, nigga. Who was your stylist last night, JC? Shantae Brodus.